Big bitch. Let me sleep, WWG53. Aye. You beach. My landlord. Excuse me. Shipping port. Uh-oh.
Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. These forms are capable of producing damage and wind.